Just got the package. Let's open this box up, see what it's looking like. Alright, let's see. Good sign so far that there's a lot of packaging, a lot of bubble wraps, and stickers. I love the stickers.
We're going to the fridge.
For sure. Let's open this up first. Yee, stickers. RPM Carbon. Not sponsored. Whoever packaged this, more tape here than carbon. Woo! It looks so good. Look at that. That's gonna look beautiful. Where's my phone? Shine the light on it. But it looks good. See if you can see the gloss on that. That's beautiful. That's the back of it. RPM Carbon. That looks pretty. Alright, let's go to the garage and set this thing up. Alright, we're in the garage now. About to take off the battery cap and install this new carbon one. So we're gonna need a 4mm hex screw. Take them off. It's just 2 screws, just one right here and then one on the other side. Alright, that's 1 screw. Then we're just going to take off the one on the other side. They don't really have to be too tightly screwed on. They're actually, they're not that tight. They're not sealed like glued on or anything like that. So after you just unscrew it a little bit, you can just, with your finger, unscrew it. After that, it should be just pretty easy to take off. It should just be a clipping function. Let's just clip on this bit. There. So you just push forward a little bit, and it should just come off pretty easy right there. I'm gonna put that to the side. Here, so you guys can see the difference between the two. Here's the OEM stock, and this one's the carbon one we're going to set up. So we're going to lay this down here. That already looks so good. Okay, so learn from our mistakes. You got to take off the from the OEM. There's like these little kind of like plungers that you put it in each hole, and I'll show you real quick on the video. Okay, so my dad managed to take off these pieces. These are suction pieces that we're transferring from the OEM to the carbon one. So we're gonna do a quick montage right here, just taking off these other two right here. So you move them from down here to transfer them. Right there. One down, just one more to go. So I'm gonna take this one off. Just got both of them off. So now, took off this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now we're left with just these 4. So we're gonna move this one out the way, grab the carbon one, and just pretty much do the same thing. Which this one should be a lot easier, which is just basically just plug them in. But you know, you still want to be careful, because obviously carbon's lighter, more fragile. Here, putting it in, taking it out. We already got one in. Now it's gonna be. Boom. We got all 4 done. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how it's gonna want to look. Just flush right there. Now we're gonna go back to the bike. All right. So we're back at the bike. About to install this carbon now that we put the little plunges on. Now it should be just plug and play kind of, actually. sticking it in. Boom. Just like that. Now they're clicking in. And then this one right here should be the same. Should be. These might give a little bit more trouble just because they are kind of hidden on the side. Boom. A lot easier now, finally. Now I just gotta do the same thing on the other side. Right there. Now. There. Now we got all 4 done. 2 on the top, 2 on the bottoms. Now, the best part and the easiest part. Just using our 4mm hex screw. I'd really suggest buying these T-screws. They're really, you know, it's a lot easier. Makes the job a lot easier. Screw them in. Make sure you have the clear washer there that it brings. Put it there. Put it nice, softly, carefully. Don't want to scratch the brand new carbon. Just finished installing it. Look how beautiful that looks. Makes the front look so much more aggressive. And obviously pairs beautifully with the Nolan Ducati carbon helmet. Also, wanted to give you guys an update on the S1K. Let me see if I can fix this lighting. There we go. Got the dark, smoked windscreen right there. Got the Rizoma mirrors, of course. They fit on beautifully too. They're not even the Rizoma ones. They're the Amazon. Got, I don't know if they already had these on. Lever guards, of course, if you guys saw the video. Acro. Also did get Insta360 stick, so we'll get a lot more content out of that. And that's pretty much all we've done with the S1K so far. So looks pretty good, honestly, but gotta get some carbon on that too. Next purchase that we have coming in is right here. Carbon should be coming in probably in 2 weeks or so, so that'll look good just to add on to the front end. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go skip ahead, see how it looks while riding.
Honestly, it looks so good. It wasn't really that hard to put on, but yeah, it honestly just looks, I'm really loving it. Just gotta wait, like I said, the 2 weeks for this piece to come in, and then yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, like probably like 2 days ago, went on a little highway ride and I lost the sock, but I still got this one, so it's cool. I don't know if you guys can see the way the sun is hitting the carbon. It just looks so good. I can do a little pull here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Carbon's still on. I call that a win. But today has been so hot, it's actually crazy. Steps outside and I felt like I was melting. But now it's pretty good weather, I can't lie. Sunset. Man, pretty sure there's gonna be a good meet this weekend on Sunday morning. The Hamilton collection is coming down to Central Florida, but gonna be on a cruise, so sadly won't be able to attend it. But it's gonna be crazy. Some crazy cars, SVJs, SF90s, everything like that. It's gonna be crazy. Look at that, baby. Looks so good. Fourth of July coming soon. I already got the tents up. Looks like they're prepping everything to be sold. Or are they closing it or are they opening it? I think they're opening it. Let's go over here, just so you guys can see it in the sun. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm actually in love with it. Looks so good. Look at that beauty. Just even from a distance, it just makes it look way more aggressive. Can't wait to order more carbon pieces. Gonna get this in carbon. Gonna get the tail in carbon. I have so many ideas for this bike. It's actually gonna be a beauty. Can't wait for it. Looks so good. Actually, I gotta take a video of this. This is like I don't know if you guys can see how good it looks. Looks beautiful. Alright. That's new Wawa. It's fire though. They got a drive-thru and everything. I don't know. I swear I've never seen a Wawa with a drive-thru. The other day there was a it was okay meat. It was just a bunch of like Civics, just stuff like that, Infinities, Q50s. There's some nice M's though that I'll throw up on the screen. Some G82s. Pretty cool. If you guys don't follow my TikTok or Instagram, it is the same handle, that one.v2, which posts way more on there. So, you got sneak peeks. I posted the Wawa meat with the M's over there. So, if you guys don't follow that, just follow that. Man, this is what life's about. It's riding, good weather, carbon. Put her away for the day. Nah, but for real, you guys gotta let me know what you guys want to see. It's on the channel. Obviously, just gonna keep posting the builds of the bikes. You know, just what we put on new, exhaust. But what do you guys want to see? Just like rides, meets. Just need content ideas. But that'll be all for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.